Hello and welcome to 5 Minute First Impressions. Today we're going to be reviewing the Linnell.com, and that's about the sixth time I've tried to pronounce the name of this website. Uh, Straight away, I love this website. It is so simple, it's beautiful, minimalist to a fault. It's fantastic. I'm just after realizing that I might have pronounced the word wrong. It might be Lionel. And the previous takes I did say bonnet, and it might also be bonnet. So apologies for pronouncing your name wrong. Please don't hack me, develop me, or cast a spell on me. You're a junior you're a junior developer at School Status in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. I do all sorts of fun stuff, ranging all the way from AngularJS development using CoffeeScript to API building in Ruby. I recently graduated from the University of Southern Mississippi with a bachelor's degree in computer science with a minor in mathematics. Very similar to myself. Welcome to the club. So I like this website. It gets things across. It's clearly a personal portfolio. Really nice domain name as well. In your spare time, I enjoy working on a few different side projects. So let's have a wee click on that. I'm not going to click on the school status. I'm going to click on this though, open it up in a new tab, projects, the cool ones anyway. Nice. Always view your GitHub profile. Okay. So 3 of them first. Gojira. It'll work. We use Jira to track issues. Never use Jira. I hope it's good. Plan your sprints and all that jazz. It's a much nicer tool than I thought it would be, but it's also got a pretty painful web interface. Okay, so that's going to be some interface first. Here we go. Yeah, okay. Sorry, just lost interest in that. I'm not going to lie about it. Millwright, my father and I were talking about a ticket system to help him out with a few things, and I assured him that there were tons of free, super easy to set up and complete ticket systems. Turns out there weren't as many as I thought that met my criteria. That's always the way. I've built so many systems when, you're like, this has to exist somewhere, and then you go look for it and you're like, it doesn't really. But there's about 6 that do similar things and probably overlap, but not one that does everything you want. It's killer. Anyway, Millwright is my attempt to create something that meets my criteria and works for people who aren't developing software. Not that it can't work for people developing software too. Awesome. Segmentation research during my time in honours degree. Okay, so that's your research. Fair play. I also post a few smaller HTML5 JavaScript things as blog posts. If you're interested in that sort of thing, you should check out a few of the posts. So let's maybe put a link to the blog there. It would be nice. Let's go back home. What else have we got here? Projects resume. Okay, so you mentioned a blog, and there ain't no link to a blog anywhere. Maybe it's social media, but straight away it's not there. It's not obvious. Attempting to really improve your writing skills, but anymore. My latest blog post is entitled, that's the first mention of the blog. So, or second mention, first link to the blog. I'm certainly not the most poetic wordsmith, but it's probably worth a quick read. Let's have a quick read. Let's see what this is like. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that word. So, sorry. No, it's literally... Let's go find one that isn't... Oh, imagine if that was you. That'd be really funny. Bonus. Okay, so it's your blog follows the similar design to your main page, and that's lovely. That's really nice. I'm trying to think of some maybe points or criticisms. Of course, the benefit of going for a minimalist design is that there's little to criticize and there's very little get wrong, which is good, I think, from a design point of view, from a usage point of view as well. So your resume is really nice. I assume these open up like an accordion. They do. Lovely. Pretty standard. Easy to use. Simple to understand. Love it. Tech and languages. You've got a heap of languages there. Fair play to you. Currently mostly interested in Ruby. Not a bad one to be interested in. And PDF version of your resume. Lovely. Social media. Quickly. So you've got loads of them. And there's your blog posts. Okay. There you go. So my apologies for not knowing where the blog post was. Yeah, overall, really like this website. I think it gets the idea across very well. It's a really nice minimalist design. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much. Bye.